What's up everybody, I'm Tim from Timber Ridge Gifts, and this video is just going to be a quick tutorial showing you how to print off your Etsy shipping labels. Now it's really super simple, but if you've never done it before it can be a little bit confusing. Let's hop inside the computer and check it out. So the first thing we're going to do obviously is go to Etsy. From there we're going to go into our shop manager. That'll bring us to our dashboard. From there we're going to go to orders and shipping, which will show us all of the new orders that need to be shipped. As you can see, we've got 5 new ones waiting to be shipped. Now, a couple different ways we can do this. We can do each one individually. To do that, we would just click on our little delivery truck icon. And this will take us to the label purchase page. From here, we can scroll down to make sure that our weight and dimensions are correct. It already has the dimensions that we pre-entered when we completed the listing. If for some reason those have changed, we can scroll down and change it. But we already know those are correct, so from here we would just go to confirm and buy. Click on that. It tells us how much the label is going to be. We confirm that we want to spend that much on the label. We'll purchase it. Now we've just purchased that label. Now to print it off, it's going to bring up this pop-up box. From here we would just first print our packing slip if you want to include one. And we just print that off. Now we're done with this, so we can go and close it out. That'll bring us back to this little pop-up box. Now to print our shipping label, let's click on Print Shipping Label. It'll bring up the completed label. And again, we would print it off just like we would anything else. That's printed, so we can close this out. Brings us back to this label. We're finished with everything. Both of our packing slip and our label have been printed, so we can close this, click Done. And it's going to bring us back to the order page. As you can see, we've completed one, so now we've got 4 left in our queue. Now the second way we can do this, let's say we have several orders like we do. Rather than doing each one individually, we can just select all. That's going to select all of the orders in our queue that need to be shipped. Now that we have chosen select all, it's pretty much the same process. It's just going to do it for all of the labels that we've selected. So we're going to go up here to this top box, click Get Shipping Labels. And here are all of the shipping labels in our queue. We'll go to select all 4. And again, it'll bring us back to the dimensions and confirmation page, where again we could change the pre-entered dimensions if we wanted to. But we know all of those are correct, so we're going to go ahead and go to confirm and buy. Here it will tell us how much it is for all of the labels in our queue. So we have 4 shipping labels. Total is $16.40. We agree with that, so we're going to go ahead and purchase. And just like before, it's going to bring up the shipping label and packing slip box. And just like before, we're going to print it like normal, but this time it's got all 4 of them in our lineup. So we're going to go ahead and print. That is printing all of our packing slips. So we're going to go ahead and close this out. We're finished with that page. Go back to print shipping labels. It'll bring it up just like before. We'll print it just like we would anything else. Except this time it's got all 4 of them lined up ready to print. So we'll print. Finish with this page. Now it brings us back to our purchase box. We're finished with that as well. We'll click Done. And just like that, all of our orders have been printed and we are ready to package and ship. Hope that was helpful to you guys. If there was something you didn't understand, feel free to ask me in the comments. If you'd like to see some other Etsy tutorials, let me know what those are in the comments below. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, like and share all my videos. Make sure you guys check out my playlists. Thanks for watching, everybody.